just turned 30 today, and I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. I find a lot of times when I'm hiking, my eyes are always focused at my feet just because I'm kind of clumsy, and I just try to make sure that I don't step on anything, trip over anything. But I realize that when I do that, I don't take in the scenery like I should, because I'm stuck looking at the ground, at my feet. And I think that's a metaphor. I think that's important for me to realize. The difference between the beginning of 2022 and 2023 could not be any more opposite. At the start of 2022, I was living in LA, working in the music industry, pursuing my dream of becoming a famous musician. I was living in an overly priced apartment, not making enough money. But over the course of 2022, everything that I thought was so certain started to prove that it wasn't certain at all. I started to realize that the path, the music path, the career path that I was on wasn't what I wanted. I was realizing that it's what I was pursuing and what I've been pursuing for years, but I wasn't happy. I was in a 3-year relationship that eventually we realized that we weren't really on the same page. I mean, which happens. We were very happy, but I guess our vision for the future was different. By the end of 2022, I had left my job in the music industry, taken a break from music, and I was newly single for the first time in 3.5 years. One day, I remember I was on YouTube and I ran into, I believe, Janelle Eliana. She was the first introduction to van life I ever had. I saw her and I just fell in love with what she was able to do. I was hooked. I eventually rounded down to picking this 1999 Chevy Astro, and I decided I was just gonna hit the road and figure it out. Starting 2023, I am 30 years old and I live in a van with my cat, Lars. I don't really know what this year's gonna bring, but whatever it brings, I think I'm ready for it. Things don't always happen how you want them to, but at the end of the day, things work out if you just keep going. So yeah, I just turned 30 and I have no idea what I'm doing with my life or where I'm going. But that's okay, because I'm gonna enjoy the scenery and trust that my feet know where I'm going. So yeah.